While people think that hibiscus flowers are only pretty plants to put in their gardens, hibiscus tea could be beneficial to you and your health. Hibiscus tea has a fruity flavor that is both acidic and sweet. It's a deep crimson tea made from dried hibiscus plant parts, and has a refreshing flavor that many enjoy hot or iced, making it ideal for daily drinking. There are hundreds of hibiscus species, each with its own unique location and environment, but Hibiscus sabdariffa is the best hibiscus flower for tea. In today's video, we will take a look at the potential benefits of drinking hibiscus tea every day. Hibiscus tea benefits weight loss. Hibiscus tea may be an excellent herbal weight loss therapy. It has been demonstrated to have the ability to prevent weight gain, to promote belly fat burning, and reduce fat absorption. Hibiscus may also help to decrease cholesterol and triglycerides. Drinking hibiscus tea on a daily basis might help you lose weight naturally. Anthocyanins, phenolic substances, and flavonoids found in this plant can assist to modulate genes involved in digestion process, which can aid to speed up fat elimination. Hibiscus tea benefits for high blood pressure. Hibiscus tea has been shown in several studies to lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. It has a number of impressive and well-known health benefits, including the ability to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure puts an additional load on the heart over time, causing it to weaken. It has also been related to an increased risk of developing heart disease. Protects with antioxidants. Hibiscus flower is high in antioxidants such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, and anthocyanin. Antioxidants in your body eliminate dangerous chemicals known as free radicals, which destroy cells, resulting in diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Antioxidant-rich meals like hibiscus may prevent disease by complementing your body's natural antioxidant defenses against free radical damage. Hibiscus benefits for liver. Hibiscus tea recipe has been shown in human and animal tests to improve liver health by enhancing drug detoxifying enzymes, decreasing liver damage and liver failure. According to different studies, hibiscus flower tea benefits help to maintain the liver's health. Because of its potent antioxidant action, the extract protects the liver from a range of poisons. It's even been shown to have anti-cancer properties in lab experiments on liver cells. Hibiscus tea benefits for bloating. To prevent feeling bloated and heavy and being ready to sleep after dinner, we look for a fast drink that provides that feeling. Hibiscus tea is a wonderful drink every time. It's a natural diuretic that removes salt from the body while keeping you hydrated and regular. You can drink it all night without worrying about it affecting your sleep because it's sugar-free and caffeine-free. Hibiscus tea benefits for immune system. High in vitamin C content as well as antibacterial capabilities. These ingredients in hibiscus leaves work together to build a solid foundation and enhance your immune system, preventing you from getting the flu or a cold. Drink a cup of hibiscus tea and let all that vitamin C give your immune system a much-needed push. Because of its high concentration of vitamins and minerals, this vibrant red tea can help you stay in shape. Helps kick cravings. Hibiscus is known to help with cravings because of its low calorie count and naturally sweet flavor. Staying on track with your health goals can be as simple as drinking tea instead of eating or drinking something sugary. Prepare yourself a cup of hibiscus tea and satisfy your body's demands. Try adding a drop of honey if it's too tart for you,